world right now. Okay.
There she goes. She's dead.
Are you dead?
Gigi! Stop!
That was more than halfway full. Jack, try to walk. Come on, let's go.